What's up, y'all? CW always doing something. So today I'm gonna be changing out this light to something different, and I'm gonna be adding a different mirror to my bathroom, so it gives it a more modern look. So this is what I got going on today. I hope y'all learned something today. I hope y'all can like and share my video, give my channel some support, give my platform some support, and let's get to it. First thing I gotta do is I already done it. I took the two holders up here. I turned the power off at the switch, so that way I know I don't have no power going to the light up here. But in order to make sure, go ahead and take this down. And I'm gonna get my tester. I got my tester here. Make sure that the power is off, because I don't want to light myself up, and I want to make sure that you guys understand that you don't put yourself in a situation where you can get shocked. Common is the white and the power comes in through the black side. So basically what I'm saying is the power comes in on my paint is black, but the power comes in on the black side and it goes back on the white side. We do not have power coming to this box, so we're good to take everything down. Y'all looking at me like he touching the wires, but I haven't been zapped enough times to know that. Just a little buzz. Just a little buzz. Got to make sure I always cut off the switch to make sure I don't have no power. And that way I know I won't get shocked. If there ain't no power going there, I ain't got to worry about getting the lid up unless it's on a three-way switch. But in this case, there is no three-way switch. And the only thing holding this up now is this ground. And that's it, taking that light out. I'm gonna hold on to these two caps so when I put my new fixture up, I don't have to go and replace these. I have some already. And if you're working over the sink, close your drain so that way you don't have to worry about a screw falling down into the drain or put a rag over it. I usually just close the drain off. The way I don't have to worry about it. If the screws do fall, I have to go into the P-trap under the sink to get whatever out. Especially if it's something I'm going to be reusing. And just like that, that light is out. So let's get prepared, get everything prepared to put the new light in. So this particular light came with two different size screws. One was shorter than the other one. The shorter one is made for the flat surface, where it's gonna have to sit on the flat surface. So I took that one out, and it screws right in where the other one came out of. Yep. So once that's changed out, the shorter screws on, so we can mount the back bracket back up here properly. The new bracket that came with the light. I want to make sure that it's going vertically, because if you don't, then the light is going to be twisted. The light sits horizontally. Ideally, you would use a torpedo level to make sure that it's lined up vertically. So I've been doing it long enough to kind of eyeball it. Well, for those who want to make sure, I'll grab my level. I have a little torpedo level. Those who want to make sure that it's up. So you got it vertically up and down. That way, make sure Right there, it's in my bubbles. I can tighten it on down now. Perfect. Now, take this to the ground, double up on the ground, tighten that up. I loop my ground and tighten that up. And I tie it into the ground that's going back to the panel. That way the bracket is also grounded. The bracket grounded, it grounds the light too. Black to the black. Take a little more off of that. Strip a little more back off of that. Right to the white. Oh, yeah, good. Back up in there. Like so. Cross thread that. Trying to give me a hard time. Force it a little bit. Got to level that back up. As you see, I got my light up. This is the mirror I added because I wanted a different mirror than what was up there. And so this is going to be the different look in our bathroom now. With this mirror and this light fixture is changed out. My next goal is to go ahead and get some light bulbs and get this baby nice and bright in here. So with that, y'all know what time it is. CW always doing something. Letting y'all walk over the journey with me. And hit the like and share button on the way out. Until the next time, y'all be easy now.